Good morning students, welcome back to the online class. In this video, we are going to learn Social, Unit 4, Atmosphere, Part 5. Before directly going to today's class, a short recap of last class so that you are able to connect the ideas. What are topics you seen in the last class? Clouds, types of clouds, environment, environmental pollution. In this part 5 of atmosphere, we are going to learn rainfall, types of rainfall, rainwater harvesting, lightning and thunder. Rainfall. Precipitation is the process where the local air becomes saturated with vapor and it starts to pour as it no longer can maintain the water vapors in the gases formed. There are various types of precipitation: liquid, freezing and frozen. Rainfall can be defined as the precipitation in the liquid form. Rainfall being classified into three main types based on the origin: conventional rainfall, orographic rainfall and cyclonic rainfall. Conventional rainfall. The air on getting heated becomes light and rise up in the convection currents. As the air rises, it expands and drops the temperature and condensation takes place and cumulus clouds are formed. Heavy rainfall with lightning and thunder takes place, which does not last long. Such rain is usually in the summer or in the hotter part of the day. This type of rainfall generally takes place in the equatorial region and the internal parts of the continents. Orographic rainfall. When the saturated air comes across a mountain, it is forced to rise. The rising air expands evenly, the temperature falls, and the moisture gets condensed. The principal characteristics of this type of rain is the windward slopes get more rainfall. After getting rain on the windward side, when these winds reaches the other slope, they drop away and the temperatures increases. Then their ability to take in moisture increase and hence the leeward slopes remain dry and rainless. The region situated on the leeward side is known as the rain shadow region. Cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic activity causes cyclonic rain and it occurs along the front of the cyclone. When two masses of air of unlike density, temperature and humidity meet, then it is formed. The layer that separates them is known as front. Warm front and the cold front are two parts of the front. At the warm front, the warmest lighter wind increases slightly over the heaviest cold air. As the warm air rises, it cools and the moisture present in the contents of the clouds. This rainfall gradually for a few hours to few days. Types of rainfall based on the intensity. Light rain, rate of the rain varies between 0 to 2.5 millimeters. Moderate rain, rate of rain varies between 2.6 millimeters to 7.6 millimeters. Heavy rain, rate of rain beyond 7.6 millimeters. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a simple process or technology used to conserve rainwater by collecting, storing, conveying and purifying of rainwater that runs off from the rooftops, parks, roads, open grounds, etc. for later use. How to harvest rainwater? Rainwater harvesting. systems consist of the following components. Catchment. Catchment is used to collect and store the captured rainwater. Conveyance system. It is used to transport the harvest rainwater from the catchment to the recharge zone. Flush. It is used to flush out the first spell of rain. Filter. Used for filtering the collected rainwater and remove the pollutants. Tanks and the recharge structures. Used to store and filter the water which is ready to use. Why do we harvest rainwater? The rainwater harvesting system is one of the best methods practiced and followed to support the conservation of water. Today's scarcity of good quality of water has become significant cause of concern. However, rainwater which is pure and of good quality can be used for irrigation, washing, cleaning, bathing, cooking and also for other livestock requirements. Advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the ideal solution for all water requirements. Increases the groundwater level, reduce flooding of roads, reduce soil erosion, improves the groundwater quality, low cost ban, easy to maintain, reduce water and electricity bills. Thunder and lightning. When the clouds of positive and negative charge hit each other, lightning and thunder are produced. Light travels faster than sound. Therefore, thunder follows the lightning. When all the characteristics together activate at the same time, it is called weather factory. Thank you, children.